Welcome to today's Unity meditation. You have arrived in perfect time. So let us begin by closing your eyes if that is comfortable. It does help to block out any background thoughts and just to concentrate and to feel that presence within as you follow my words that are your words. Today I am recognized that my faith keeps me focused on God. But first we are going to start with a couple of deep breaths. Breathing in from the belly. Allow that breath to move all the way up to your heart space, and you can feel the heart expand, allowing that presence to move in within us. All the way up to the top of the head, and then just allow it to drop back down to the body, down and back into the belly. Breathing in again, allowing that breath to move all the way up the body to the heart space, and again up through the top of the head, and drop that breath back down. At the same time, just knowing that all of that wholeness of the presence of divine, of God, encompasses you right now. For that presence is the presence within you. And so now I drop all sense of lack and limitation from my thought, and every belief that I have ever had in negation or fear. And as I speak these are words for you as well. I now have a belief in success and faith. I permit the Spirit within me, that presence of God, that infinite presence that is ever there and available to us. That presence, that presence is expressing itself in perfect freedom right now, bringing increasing joy into my experience. And I recognize that there is that within me that is completely conscious of its unity with God, its unity with good, of its oneness with all the power there is and all the presence there is and all the life there is. For it is upon this power, presence, and life that we depend with implicit certainty, with complete confidence, and absolute assurance. For this is the God presence, always available to us, always available within. It is part of who and what we are, right here and right now. So I allow that divine wholeness to flow through me into ever-widening fields of activity. Every good I have ever experienced is now increased tenfold. Every joy I have ever experienced is now multiplied. There is a new influx of inspiration in my thought. I see more clearly than ever before that my divine birthright is freedom, is peace, joy, and eternal goodness. I perceive that this same birthright is bequeathed to all people. All power is delivered unto me, and this power I use for my own and every other person's good. This divine presence interprets itself to me in love. Friendship, peace, joy, and goodness are mine now and forever. I invite you to hold these thoughts in your mind now for as long as feels comfortable, feeling that presence just enveloping your entire body, filling you with God's grace and love. And when you are ready, allow yourself to return to that here and now moment. And so it is.